Hi everyone. For the user interface user experience assignment, I wanted to share this app with you. It's called Notability. It's an app that I use a lot for my classes to read my readings and to organize them and highlight them and annotate them. And I think it could be really useful for teachers and students um, that use mobile technology in classrooms and outside of classrooms too. So I wanted to share it with you. When you open the app, you have all of your articles listed here. As you can see, there's 3 tabs at the top, so there's different ways to sort them by name, by a modified date, or by created date. And on the side on the top left corner, you have a plus sign, and what that allows you to do is to create subjects or dividers to organize your notes. So if we create mobile phone learning right here, just to show you, then what you can do if you click on the edit button or edit word, there's also a little icon that shows up on the subject, the little gear, which is the same icon that Apple uses for a lot of for its systems app um, on a lot of its products. So that's very intuitive, and you can change the name or the color. We're going to change the color to blue, and then that's it. Then you click on done, and you're organized. The way to sort the articles is you click on the thumbnail. So let's just take this one for example. You click on the thumbnail and you just drag it to the subject, which is very intuitive because that's what we do on our computers as well. We drag and drop files into folders. So it's the exact same principle here. Um, Once that's done, there's different ways you can import your there's different ways you can import and export your files. So if you look in the top left corner, there's a box with an arrow going up, and that's to share or export files. So you click on the one you want to share, you click on the box again, and it allows you to email, send it by Dropbox, all kinds of options here. But if you wanted to download files, you can also do that on the top right hand corner, the box with the arrow pointing down. And then again, there's different options. What I like to do though is I like to email myself the files. So I'll just show you quickly. It's really easy. Whoops, so I emailed myself the Naismith article again. And then you just click on it. Again, the similar icon in the top right corner to upload, and then it says copy to Notability. You just click on that. Click on create new note. Click on import in the top right corner, and then your article appears. So really, really easy to use. The other function that this app has is it allows you to write notes as well. So in the top right corner, there's a little crayon. So, an icon is a recognizable symbol for note taking or for writing. And there's different options at the top. So if you click on the T, the key pad appears, so you can type really easily. You can also write or draw with the crayon. So you click on the crayon and then you write away. You can also click on it again and then you can choose different colors and different thickness for your writing. There's also a highlighter function which is really useful for when you have to do your reading. And again, same principle, you can choose different colors and different sizes. There's an eraser, which is actually really intuitive. You can just erase the things that you want just by clicking on them. You can also kind of use it like a regular eraser with paper and go back and forth, do that back and forth motion, and then it disappears. The little hand icon is when you want to move around the screen. So you always have to remember to click that if you want to go to another page or things like that. The function that I really like is in the top right corner, there's a plus sign. So for extra or add-ons in media, I like the stickies. I think these could be really useful for students, especially students that are new to iPad programs that are learning how to write or take notes on an iPad. You can choose a sticky with lines, and then you can take your pencil, and then, take your notes this way. So it'd be a good transition. It'll still allow students to take handwritten notes, but using mobile technology. And so I think that's it for Notability. It's a really great app. If you have an iPad, I would highly recommend it. It's simplified my life a lot. And that's it. Thank you.